I don't know about you, but the older I get and the more my husband snores, it is harder and harder to sleep. That's why I'm super happy that I found these really easy to use earplugs from Peace and Quiet. I'm Stacy with WTI, and being able to use these makes such a difference in blocking out a ton of noise that wakes me up at night. Each of these wax pillows is completely formable to my ear, which is really good because many times I've tried earplugs and they either keep falling out or they actually start hurting after wearing them. These are super easy to adjust. They're soft and squishy and don't cause any irritation to my ears. I also love that even though this is a 15 pack, each of them is usable up to 10 times. And speaking of pack, I can bring this carrying case wherever I need to. So if I'm flying on a plane or maybe on a loud bus or train, I know that I can pop these earplugs in with no problem. Now I have the clear, but they also have super cute colors if you'd rather have fun and colorful colors. Overall, these earplugs make such a difference. They're also really good if you're sensitive to water, whether you're swimming or in the shower. So really, they will help me out so that I can have peace and quiet literally anytime that I need it. And that's my point of view.